Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 16 of 3 words and expressions of a 100 day. Quick review first. 作业 task, work. 老师 teacher. 上课 go to class. Today follow me to learn 商店 shop, 衣服 clothes, 没有 no. 商店诗昂商的一烟店商店 means shop or store. 商店商店广字头占有 occupied 商店 shop 商店衣服means clothes. 衣服 clothes 衣服clothes 衣服没有 没有没有 means no, none or nothing. Nobody knows 没有人知道没有没有 Nobody knows 没有人知道商店 shop 衣服 clothes 没有 no. Let me know words do you want to add in your own Chinese dictionary in a comment below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.